papers. This is Paper Mail Blog 444, showing you how to make a pretty nice paper wrap. I got this really long piece of paper. It actually looks better. I'm using my iPad, so take the piece of paper, fold it this way. Sure the folds are really good. You don't want to turn it really crappy. Okay. Fold the top. Same on the other side. And leave about an inch or 2 inches, an inch or 2. I left like an inch, so I'll leave 2 inches or inch and a half. Yeah. Then fold the top down, but leaving a little spacey. Leaving a little space right there. Now do the same on the other side, match it up, and then fold this bottom flap up. So show this, fold it this way, matching, and you see that bottom thing, the bottom flap. Fold it. Just fold it about like a centimeter or a centimeter or 2. And then fold this wing. Fold this wing there. Same on the other side. And then that, like that, and then just fold this down, fold that flap down, so like this, fold that up and fold it down, same on the other side, and I have about this, should put up and should have this. Mine's not really even, but yeah. And pretty dark outside. So I'm posting at night, so yeah, you should just usually I'll just post like me flying it, but yeah, it's too dark. Oops. And thank you for watching. Please remember, comment, rate, and subscribe.